Virtual events bring together people from all over the world without making them leave their home office. As simple as that sounds, it presents organizers with an odd challenge: optimizing your schedule to different time zones. Essentially, you want to keep the number of times that attendees wake up at 5 a.m. to catch a session to an absolute minimum. If it sounds simple, it's not. The reality is that if you're planning a live session, there's no way it's going to fit everyone's time zone. Based on your goals and audience, you should prioritize one time zone over others and build the event schedule according to that. If you don't, and you treat everyone the same, you'll just end up losing on all fronts. Plan your best live content around lunchtime at your primary time zone. That's when most attendees can truly sit back and enjoy your content. And once it's over, don't just make it available on demand. Rebroadcast it at other prime time zones. It won't only commit people to watch, but also it shows attendees that you care.